Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play through mic the sound effects or music in Soundpad. So let's get started. First of all, click on Windows Search and type Change System Sounds. Click on that and this little window should pop up. Go to Recording and then select your microphone, right click it and Set as Default Device and click on Set as Default Communication Device. This will set your microphone to the default option. Now go to Soundpad, click on File and click on Preferences. Right here, go to Devices, then go to Recording Devices, and as you can see, I'm using SteelSeries Sonar microphone, so just select that and click Apply and OK. So select your microphone and then go to Hotkeys. In the hotkeys, just scroll down and you'll see Play TTS on microphone, so just click on that, click Set Hotkey, then click on the button and click Apply. So you're going to be using that button to play sound through your mic. And now what we'll need to do is go to the file, click Add Sound Files, add some sound files right here in our list, and then just click on this button or our hotkey. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.